So it looks like we still could be getting that $6 ICP if Bitcoin does continue to dump. What's up, guys? This is boy Lex Money. In today's video, we jump straight back into ICP. Now, I do believe we're in the final stretch for this last dumpy time of the market, and this is the most crucial time to be making sure that you stick to your guns. Now, as always, please do support me if you would like to by liking the video and subscribing if you're new, guys. But Bitcoin is now at 58k. When I woke up this morning, it was like 59, nearly 60k. The whole market is having a bit of a push down. It's the 3rd of September. We're only 3 days into the month. Now, I've been seeing this all over my timeline, guys. I'm sure a lot of you have seen it as well. And the golden cross, which is starting to form. You can see here every single time in previous runs, we've had a narrowing and then an explosive move. Now, everybody's saying, right, golden cross. This is the first time ever that we're having a golden cross. But I did say underneath here, we've also never needed to cross the 200 MA before, okay? So are we going to have an affinity down towards before we do have a pump and maybe we find support there? Or is the golden cross going to lead us into something, you know, up into that 100 to high 100k Bitcoin? And again, sentiment check for all of you lovely people watching the video. What did you think it was going to be like to hodl? Sorry, my bad. What did you guys think it was going to be like to hodl through this bull market? Everyone that got in the beginning of the year probably were living life thinking, oh my god, this is the easiest thing ever. And if you go back to all the previous videos where I said can be expecting 20, 30, 40% corrections, I don't think anyone did believe it. Now we're in the middle of a massive 20% correction for Bitcoin. It does feel a bit like this. Now, something to look at as well. I mean, the only time we experienced downside in October were in the bear market years of 2014 and 2018. Okay, we're currently in a halving year, and pretty much every single halving year we have been having, you know, really positive Octobers, guys. And obviously the Septembers, you know, sort of a mixed bunch. Majority are going to be red. Look at all of these Octobers, what are to come. So if we do have a super choppy, super horrible dump coming up in the coming sort of weeks or so, just remember, we got to try our best to hold on. Think of it like, right, we got a holiday coming up in a month. We don't care that it's raining at home right now because we're going to be going to the sunny beach in about a month's time. Okay, now a markup probably is inevitable very soon, guys, and you can see here that last year when we did start to make our way up into the all-time high for Bitcoin this year, guys, you can see that in this choppy bit we did have some manipulation which broke the structure to the downside. However, we did quickly reverse, and then we saw a 100% move from there. If we do have a 100% move from around where we are, 50 to 60k, that's 100 to 120k for Bitcoin. And again, manipulation, capitulation, all the Asians, guys. How low will this bring us? If we do have a capitulation down to 48k, or like a lot of people are saying, then, you know, that's gonna pretty much finish a lot of investors. Okay, that will finish a lot of investors. I don't think it will finish you guys on the channel, because you let me know in the comments anyway that you're never selling, right? Big you guys up. Let me know if you never sell him in the comments. But look what we have here, guys. It looks like the RSI could start to flip in October. It looks like it's due to flip. You can see the MACD is due to flip pretty soon, guys. Look how long we've been negative on the MACD all the way since April, guys. Once the thing does flip, if it is in line with October, could that be the next rally for Bitcoin? But the network is as secure as ever. Look at the hash rate, guys. The hash rate is at an all-time high right when Bitcoin is in a consolidation phase, guys. We're not going to be getting taken down. Bitcoin is here to stay. You got to look at the bigger picture, especially if you're holding Bitcoin. Look at the bigger picture. Everybody comes in and they goes, oh, well, Bitcoin's not secure. Bitcoin, what if they take your Bitcoin? They can't take your Bitcoin unless you make silly mistakes, guys. Now, I made a poll on my Instagram a couple of days ago. So again, go and follow the Instagram because I'm more active over there. But I said, whose friends and family have listened to them buy Bitcoin or crypto in general? Everyone said no, no one has. Make it make sense, guys. But go and follow the Instagram. Just a side note why you should follow the Instagram, guys. I'm trying to get into this. I'm trying to get into the crypto fight week, right? Boxing other crypto influencers. That would be pretty cool. So I'm trying to figure out how I can get into this. If any of you guys know, let me know in the comments. You can go and drop me a DM to let me know how I can get into this. But I think this would be a pretty cool thing. We're now going off chain, okay, and the world of crypto is going off chain, and you're seeing that in things like Inter Miami. If any of you guys are football fans, their new sponsor is Polkadot. UFC have VeChain, they got Crypto.com. You're starting to see the world of cryptocurrency really get into mainstream, guys, and we are just at the beginning of it. So we gotta look out into the real world sometimes and remember how far we've come from 5-10 years ago. Now ICP, something big is going on behind the curtains for ICP. Finalization rate increased again. Look at the block fidelity, 51 blocks a second compared to Sol's 1.5, NIR's 0.8, AVAX is 0.5, ETH's less than 0.1, and ADA's less than 0.05. ICP 17x more blocks than all of these put together. And then Bobby O actually did post this. A lot of you guys will follow Bobby O, watch all of his videos and stuff. Go and watch this in full. I'll leave a link in the pinned comment and just listen to this quickly. I was listening to this on Twitter earlier. Very, very interesting stuff. Something that we've covered in many videos previously, but again, for all of you guys who maybe are not aware of the power of ICP.
Because once application level development can happen within seconds, once you can build out numerous applications, and the time it takes to do that essentially goes down to zero, and you can build out entire ecosystems. The benefits that AI can provide to the web will largely be dictated by the technical framework around AI, okay? Because let's just start with security. If you don't have a secure technical framework around AI, there's gonna be a lot of problems, right? The different risks associated go through the roof, especially as everything becomes more dependent on AI, and especially as the threat of cybercrime goes up.
Moreover from that, this is an old tweet from Dom in March of this year, and you're starting to see it play out, guys, over the past 6 months. Now, the collaboration you see in blockchain is largely smoke, mirrors, and marketing. Everybody wants to be the internet computer, and they will try to muddy the waters and try to catch up before we, the ICP community, will reach escape velocity. Transforming networks with a different architecture can be quite hard though. And like I said, this was one of the theories as to why I do believe we'll get nerfed on things like CoinMarketCap, blah, 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 blah. Because I do think that once everyone starts to become aware of it, then yeah, all of these other chains who are promising certain things, and when the retail investor does start to catch on as well, you know, all of these other chains, or a lot of these other chains, do become useless pretty much. Alrighty guys, charts. What is happening to Bitcoin today? We're under 57k. Well, we're under 58k, should I say. Look, we've got two accumulation zones underneath us, guys. We've got the bear case, which is right at the bottom, which would be the breakdown target for this pennant. Okay, that's going to be between, was that 43 and 47.5k. Then you've got another accumulation range here, which is the double bottom of that previous capitulation, all the way to 49k. Okay, so right now I'm accumulating like hell in this zone right here. I'm going to be accumulating like hell in this double bottom area here, and I will also be accumulating like hell if we do get the bear case, guys. And then for ICP, guys, I mean, we found resistance yet again at this previous area that we were looking at in the past videos, guys. This yellow line here and then this white line here, we found resistance at it perfectly today. This is the 4-hour charts. This would have been last night, I believe. And like I said, if we do lose $7.12, I will be shorting it down to $6 because we probably will have a capitulation event all the way down here. Maybe I'll start to take profits at around, you know, $6.59, $6.30. I am going to be trying to play the market, guys, and I'm going to be trying to make sure that I do make the most out of this dump and accumulate as much as I can before a potential green October, November, December. And if you guys want to be trading that with me, then you can trade on Blowfin with me. I've got an exclusive giveaway for all of you guys who do join in the month of September. This is a no KYC exchange. You can use up to 150x leverage on Bitcoin, but like 100x leverage on most of your altcoins as well, guys. So again, for all of you who want to be trading, you want to be making the most out of it, then come and make some money with me on Blowfin, get some prizes. You can get some cash back as well. So very good exchange to be trading on, guys. But that's it. What is your plan for September? Are you scared? Are you excited? Are you looking forward to what is to come towards the end of the year? You guys let me know in the comments. And if you made it this far, please support the channel by smashing that like button. Go and drop me a comment to let me know you made it this far. Drop me a sub if you're new. See you tomorrow. Peace.